Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 57, Atoms and Molecules. In this worksheet, we will learn about molar mass. What is molar mass and how it is different from molecular mass. So today we will discuss the relation between the molar mass and the molecular mass. As we have seen till now, that amount of matter in a substance is more significantly represented by number of its atom or molecules rather than their mass. The amount is expressed in terms of moles. And what is the number of Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. That is equal to the 1 mole. Similarly, mass of 1 mole of substance is called molar mass. Molar mass क्या होता है बच्चों? Mass of 1 mole of a substance is called as molar mass, which is equal to the relative atomic or molecular mass of the atom or molecule. In molar mass, we use unit gram instead of unit U. In molecular mass or atomic mass, we use the unit U, unified mass, when we represent the molecular mass or atomic mass in grams. Then it is called gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So molar mass is also called as gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Now we will discuss molar mass. What is molar mass? The mass of particles in 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass. So what is molar mass? Molar mass means the mass of particles in 1 mole. And how much particles were there? Particles were 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So mass of particles in 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass, which is equal to the molecular mass of that substance. It is represented by capital M. The mass of 1 mole particle 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. These numbers or particles are present in 1 mole of a substance is equal to molecular mass of the particles in gram. The mass of 1 mole of a particular substance is fixed. Atomic mass and molecular mass are fixed. Relation between number of moles and molar mass. So what is the relation between number of moles and molar mass? Number of moles is equal to given mass. When given mass is divided by molar mass, we will get number of moles of a substance. Now we will discuss some numericals. Molar mass of water. How will you find out molar mass of water? So molar mass means molecular mass of water. And how will you find out molecular mass of water? Formula of water is H2O. We have taken 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U, while the atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. And we have taken 2 atoms of hydrogen, so 1 is multiplied by 2. So it will be 2 plus 16, it means 18. When it is represented in gram, it is called molar mass. So molar mass of water will be 18 gram. Molar mass of water and number of moles in 36 gram of water. So 18 gram is equal to 1 mole. Molar mass of water is 18 gram and mass given is 36 gram. So you have to find the number of moles present in 36 gram. So 36 divided by 18 is equal to 2 moles. So in 36 gram of water, 2 moles are present. and 1 mole is equal to 18 grams. Now, number of particles in 88 gram of carbon dioxide. 88 gram is given to you. You have to find out the molar mass of carbon dioxide. How will you find the molar mass of carbon dioxide? By finding out the molecular mass of the carbon dioxide. So what is the molecular mass? 1 atom of carbon, 2 atom of oxygen. Carbon molecular mass, atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. We have taken 2 atoms of oxygen, so 16 will be multiplied by 2 and 12 will be multiplied by 1, we get 44 gram. So molar mass of carbon dioxide will be 44 gram and given mass is 88 gram. When 88 is divided by 44, we will get 2 moles. So in 88 gram of carbon dioxide, 2 moles are present. And number of particles in 1 mole is are 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So number of particles in 2 mole will be 2 multiplied by this. So you have to multiply this number from 2, 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23. Power you have to write as it is. Now we will discuss question answer. Define molar mass. You can write what is molar mass given in the worksheet. Also you can write from answer sheet. Question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 4 questions are small numericals. So we will discuss here. First question is molar mass. Mass of 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass, which is equal to the relative atomic or molecular mass of the atom or molecule. Question number 2, you have to find out mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. So first of all, you have to calculate the molar mass of nitrogen gas. So what will be the molar mass of nitrogen gas? Nitrogen means N2. There are 2 atoms of nitrogen in N2. So 1 mole of N2 gas equal to 14 into 2. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. There are 2 atoms, so multiplied by 2. So it will be equal to 28 U or 28 gram. This is the molar mass of nitrogen gas. And you have to find out in 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas how much gram of nitrogen is present, nitrogen gas. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is equal to 28 gram. Then 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas will equal to 28 as it is लिखेंगे. नीचे वाले नंबर को बच्चों मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इसके मल्टीप्लिकेशन में रखेंगे. देन वी विल प्लेस 1 in the upon. So 28 multiplied by 0.5 upon 1 and this will be equal to 14 gram. So mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas will be 14 gram. This is your answer. Question number 3, molar mass of HCl. You have to find out molar mass of HCl. So how will you find out? We will find out by calculating molecular mass of HCl. And molecular mass of HCl will be calculated by adding the mass of hydrogen and chlorine. Mass of hydrogen is 1U while the mass of chlorine is 35.5 U. We will add these two, we will get 36.5 U, or when we represent in gram, 36.5 gram is the molar mass of HCl. Question number 4. In question number 4, you have to ask number of moles in 48 gram of helium. So you have to find out the number of moles. So 1 mole is equal to the gram atomic mass of helium. So what is the gram atomic mass of helium? Gram atomic mass of helium is 4U, it means 4 gram. So if 4 gram is equal to 1 mole, so 48 gram is equal to, will be equal to how many moles? You have to write, you have to take down 1 as it is. Put this 48 into multiplication of 1 and this 4 into upon. So you will get 12 moles. How? 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So you will get for 12 moles means 12 moles are present in the 48 gram of helium. Question number 5. In question number 5, you have to ask molar mass of C2H2. You have to find the molar mass. So you will find out molecular mass of C2H2. Molecular mass. How will you find out molecular mass? By adding the mass of carbon and hydrogen. 6 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of carbon. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U and carbon is 12U. So how many atoms are there? 2. 12 multiplied by 2. And how many atoms are of hydrogen? 6. So 1 multiplied by 6. 12 2s are 24 and 1 6 is 6U. So it will come 24 plus 6, 30U or 30 gram. 30 gram is the molar mass of C2H2. Thanks for watching.